Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to use a manual tire changer. These here are my old tires. First thing I do is checking the pressure. The recommended pressure range is indicated in driver's door jamb. All the tires still had an equal pressure of 2.5 bar or 250 kilopascal. Next thing is letting all the air out. Now, having the tires depressurized, it is important to prepare the rims for the new tires, which is a washing step. I use some soapy water as well as aluminum rim cleaner and some common sponges. I also like checking the residual profile depth. On all these old tires it ranged at 3 to 4 millimeters. Conclusion: worn pretty badly. Here comes the manual tire changer. First step is to break the seal between the tire and the rim lip on either side of the wheel. It needs to be said this procedure can easily introduce scratches on your rims, but with some minor improvements you can minimize these adverse effects. Just use several layers of tape or cloth at parts that have direct contact with the rims. Another important thing is to mount the tire changer to the floor so it stands there solid as a rock. The less vibration, the less risk for scratches. Before mounting the new tire, make sure to clean the inner sides of the rim lips. This will guarantee a tight fit without any air leaks. Wipe off with alcohol one final time. Now, on to the new tire. Use a little of soapy water on a sponge to make the tire slide better on the rim. Finally, pump them up. You will hear the tires pop in place several times before reaching the recommended pressure. That's totally fine.